Wow, 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 wow. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, today we need to show you about the mobile truck. Mobile truck. Wow, 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 wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, wow, teman-teman. Many. Wow, 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 wow. Di depan. Okay, can do it as one. Okay, example, this mobile truck. Okay, yes, can put here. Okay, wow, yes, yeah, okay, yeah, open, yeah, loading. Yes. Okay, keep there. This is Excavator. Sample. Yeah, can do it. Yeah, step by step, one by one. Okay. Yeah. And one more. This land truck, correct? Yes. But we can bring the mobile broken. Yeah, the grand broken. Yes, sample. You see? Yeah, the rain broken. Now have the bin. Yes, and the mini truck. Okay, put here. Yeah, you can try. Bring to flip now. Wow. Okay, just keep the run now. Yes, the grand. One more grand. Yes, grand. You can bring the broken mobile. You can bring the sample. You see? Yes. Okay, you can try. Din. Yeah. See? Din. Yeah. Okay. Keep on. Oh, yes. There's one more. You put just din. Wow. Put on. No have. Yes. He broke, correct? Put there. You can keep the mobile dump truck here. Yes, or put here. Yeah, you can drain. Yeah. Okay. Wow, strong machine. You see, correct? Okay. Just put that one. Put on the top here. Wow. Teman-teman, yeah. Sorry. I'm taking the photo. Okay, teman-teman. One more long truck. Okay, one more. One giant dump truck here. See? Wow, teman-teman. Bye-bye.